Story Kids Rise.
Princess Anya and the Starry Necklace Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind and curious princess named Anya. She loved stargazing from her castle's balcony every night. One evening, while gazing at the twinkling stars, she noticed one star shining much brighter than the others. Suddenly, the star fell from the sky and landed in the royal garden. Intrigued, Princess Anya ran to the garden and found a beautiful, glowing necklace made of tiny, sparkling stars. As she picked it up, a soft voice spoke, "Please help me." Anya looked around and saw a tiny fairy with delicate wings fluttering near the necklace. "Hello, fairy. What happened?" she asked. The fairy replied, "This necklace holds the magic of the night sky. Without it, the stars will lose their shine. Can you help me return it to the sky?" Anya nodded determinedly. "Of course. How do we get it back up there?" The fairy explained, "You must visit the Moon Queen in the Silver Forest." She has the power to send the necklace back to the sky, but be careful, the forest is enchanted and full of surprises. Without hesitation, Anya embarked on her journey to the Silver Forest. As she entered, she marveled at the silver leaves and glowing flowers. She walked carefully, following the path lit by the moonlight. Soon, she met a wise old turtle. "Greetings, Princess Anya. What brings you to the Silver Forest?" he asked. Anya explained her quest. The turtle smiled. The Moon Queen resides at the top of the Silver Hill. But first, solve this riddle. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for much longer than a minute. What am I? Anya thought for a moment and then replied, "Breath." The turtle nodded approvingly. "Correct. Follow the silver path to the top of the hill." Anya continued her journey and finally reached the Silver Hill, where she found the Moon Queen sitting on a silver throne, surrounded by shimmering moonbeams. "Your Majesty," Anya said respectfully, "I have come to return this magical necklace to the sky." The Moon Queen smiled warmly. "You have a brave heart, Princess Anya. I will help you." The Moon Queen took the necklace and raised it high. The stars in the necklace twinkled brightly, and with a wave of her hand, the necklace soared back into the sky, restoring the stars' brilliance. "Thank you, Princess Anya," the Moon Queen said. "You have saved the night sky." Anya returned to her kingdom, where the stars shone brighter than ever. The fairy thanked her and promised to always watch over her. From that night on, Princess Anya continued to stargaze, knowing she had a special bond with the stars. Her kingdom admired her bravery and kindness, and the stars sparkled in gratitude. And so, Princess Anya lived happily, her adventures forever lighting up the night sky. Princess Anya and the Starry Necklace Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.